This cow's hind legs are completely locked straight. It cannot walk, it cannot even sit properly. So what would we do in this situation? In today's video, we will show you how we treat this case and restore normal movement through surgery. When I arrived at the farm, I observed that the cow was standing but unable to walk. Both hind limbs were extended and stiff, and despite repeated attempts, the leg could not flex. The owner reported that the problem had been present for a few days, but today the limb became completely locked. This condition is known as upward fixation of the patella. In this condition, the patella or kneecap get locked over the medial ribs of the femur, causing the limb to remain in extension. Common causes included weakness or loosening of the ligament, mineral deficiency, especially calcium and phosphorus imbalance, rapid growth or poor muscle tone, slippery flooring condition. As a result, the animal cannot move to the limb normally. If this condition persists, the animal reduces feed intake, body weight decreases, and muscle damage may occur. Therefore, early treatment is very important. Initially, we try conservative management, manual correction, control exercise, mineral supplementation, but in this case, this method were not effective. Surgical decisions, so we decide the process to surgery. The procedure is called Medial Patellar Desmotomy. The surgical step included proper restraint of the animal, administration of local anesthesia, identification of the medial patellar ligament, then a small incision is made. The ligament is carefully cut. Once the ligament is released, the patella is no longer locked and the joint regained normal movement. Post-operative care is very important. Antibiotic to prevent infection, pain management, regular wound cleaning, adequate rest. Improvement is usually seen within a few days. In this result, after surgery, the cow gradually started walking. The limb was no longer locked and the animal recovery successfully. Upward fixation of the patella is not a condition of panic, but delaying treatment can lead to serious complications. So if you observe such scenes, consist a veterinary immediately. Thank you very much for watching this video and subscribe the channel Nova Vet Care and press the bell icon.